Today I am reviewing the Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers are a standout choice for anyone seeking premium audio quality in a compact form factor. With their 2.0 active near-field design, these speakers deliver clear, crisp sound with a solid 42 watts RMS power, making them perfect for home studios, gaming setups, or even casual music listening. Whether you're streaming music, gaming, or editing videos, the R1280T provides balanced audio performance that brings out rich bass, smooth mids, and sparkling highs, giving your content depth and clarity. One of the most convenient features of these speakers is their dual AUX input. You can connect two devices at the same time without constantly unplugging and switching cables. This means you could play music from your laptop while also keeping a console or smartphone connected, making transitions seamless. The classic wooden enclosure not only provides excellent acoustic performance, but also adds a touch of elegance to any room. The MDF wood build with wood effect vinyl finish is a stylish addition to your home office, living room, or studio, blending seamlessly with your decor while improving sound resonance and reducing distortion. Control is also simple and intuitive with side panel knobs for adjusting volume, bass, and treble to your preference. The knobs are conveniently located on the main powered speaker, giving you quick access to fine-tune your audio experience without needing to access software settings or external controllers. For even more convenience, the R1280T comes with a remote control, allowing you to adjust the volume and switch sources from across the room. Whether you're listening to soft acoustic tracks, heavy EDM, or watching movies, the Edifier R1280T speakers deliver clear dialogue, deep bass, and vibrant highs. They are particularly impressive in small to medium-sized rooms, offering a wide soundstage and immersive audio that makes you feel like you're part of the performance. In addition, these speakers are incredibly versatile. Their power design means no need for an external amplifier, and with dual RCA inputs, you can connect them to computers, TVs, gaming consoles, or even smartphones. For anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup without breaking the bank, the Edifier R1280T is a reliable, stylish, and high-performing option. In summary, the Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers combine classic aesthetics, versatile connectivity, and high-quality sound into a compact package. Perfect for music lovers, gamers, and content creators, they provide a professional-grade listening experience right on your desk. If you want speakers that look great, sound amazing, and are easy to use, the Edifier R1280T is hard to beat.